Hello friends, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. This video is my class and my lectures, 10 to 15 minutes. Uh, Google granted and Google local service add to topics. This presentation, my videos. Google granted and Google local service add. The qualify for a Google granted, you first have the top page Google search forecast and meet their qualification guidelines, those their local service ad programs. For customer who find your business, those Google local service ad you are enable the mind this have your work. For example, suppose are your service provide lean handleman local smart have a Google granted on your advertising. In case customer can probability complete Google and ask for result after you buy complete your service them as like Google reviews. Google granted can be final studies but require until its view defines Google business site. You will first need a GMB Google My Business profile more than the lead, and once you get that will be local service at long and made great. The Google granted we have to process searching process to mark to make sure you're qualified of this title. You have to upload this business lines and press background check with pin code. Google searching process include click and verification. What is the Google local ads? Google local service ads are paid ads that help local service business collect leads direct through phone call and message request. They only appear for relevant local business to the process search engine and that very top of Google search result. This is ad can display the complete name, reviews, rating, city, phone number, opening hour, and many more. Local ad service. How to know if your business qualified for local service ad. Creating local service ad are able for create service creation and local. However, content we have can clear learn local service ad. Lot of countries, Australia, Bulgaria, Canada, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, United Kingdom, United States, and this process many support service categories: application repeat service, carpenter, carpet client service, clearing service, content drop service, electronics, financial service, flooring service, foundation service, gate door service, general car service, handyman, home inspection service, HVAC, health of air condition, joke remove service, landscape service, low car service, moving service, post control service, plumber service, pool client service, pool content service, rope service, sanding service, sound remove service, their service, tree service, wheel drain service, window clear service, window repair service. The local business ads and your business qualification. Friends, the Google very standard topics presentation, the local ad service overview. Local service and help you attach customer to your business. Your ad highlighting the most important information for customer to choose your business, service offered, service art, hours and reviews. How ads work? When you sign up to local service ads, will ask to you provide your business information, searches your business hours, service areas and service option. This is information use grant your business profile. Your ad will show preview your business profile. When you click on an ad, try find your profile. You can edit this information anytime. What in your ad? Depending on whether your business in Google search on Google granted you might look defense harder few. Google local service ad. Google local reach many extend across the world but from some local search. When need a trust solution in our own near breaks, search watching their skin overall can wait from false messages line. Local service advertising often suggest can convert their search with just text ads. Then you should extend Google News search offering local service ad. Google local service ad are great supplement to the local service strategy and local SEO strategy for a specific industry search and Lingmars, plumber, grand drop, etc. etc. When searching local search query, search as on below. The many several trusted professional in their posting right above traditional paid search ad. There in new ad shows business number, hour, rating and reviews ad. Google local service ad go set up fund, create and content search to write advice. Up and click on local advertising listing. Google farmers that to confidence the job they looking from as well as service areas. This section will able review qualification, rating and Google reviews before calling you. If you don't, good feet, there are job and don't save, right? Thank you, my friend. The details, uh, Google guaranteed and Google local ads. Best of luck.